Hey guys, I wanted to just introduce you to the channel. I know that if you've been a follower for a long time, you've watched me play video games for a living, right? And then you saw me move down to Florida, you saw me start Platinum Fitness, and then you saw me start the supplement company, and then from there, it's just exploded. Okay, we have over 2,000 clients in 3 years. We're working on a 4th location, we're working on launching franchising, we're working on launching an online coaching company, all at the same time. And with that, I wanted to get back to something that I truly love and I truly miss, which is talking to you guys, making videos for YouTube, and sharing the journey with you. So as you go through the channel and you'll see we have everything. We have recipes, we have transformation videos, we're going to be doing live videos, we're going to be doing vlog videos, we're going to be doing literally as we go through opening new locations and touring them and seeing who's going to be running these facilities, where in the country we're going next, and what we're doing on our journey, as well as obviously we're trying to start a family. Okay, so me and my wife have been trying to have a kid, and my stepson Bryce, we want to add another member to our family. We'll have videos of the dogs and everything that accompanies this journey that we've been on. And I want to just take a minute and introduce you to the channel, let you know what we're about, let you know what we're going to be doing, and let you know what you're going to be getting in this channel. And as always, one of the things that I always want you to know is that this is a journey, which means we're not perfect, we're going to make mistakes. But we're going to show you those. We're going to show you failures, we're going to show you successes, we're going to show you the true journey that we've been on and that we're going on. And honestly, I'm doing it as much for me as I am doing it for you guys. I want you to understand that a lot of this is so that I can go back and watch just how stupid I was when we started and the learning process along the way, and hopefully some great memories, some great moments, some really cool achievements, some lessons learned, and some life experiences gained. And that's the point of this channel. It's not to try to be a highlight reel of all the good. It's designed to show you the actual journey of everything that we go through, everything that we struggle with, and to be honest, to show you that the people that we work with every day, the people that we are, we're just like you. We're real people going through real problems, trying to make real progress in real life. And that's what this channel is about. It's about following that journey. It's about seeing all the amazing things that happen along the way. And it's about following what you truly want to be, truly want to become, and what you truly want to do with your life. And if you get one thing from this channel, I hope that's it. And if you get 2 things, I hope the second one's a laugh. So hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and check out some of the playlists below. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to connect.